Adjustment transactions are used to change the quantity on hand and associated costs for selected items, usually to make corrections, but can also add quantity for an item without requiring a purchase order. One way to start creating an adjustment transaction for one or more inventory items is to select them from the inventory module grid, perhaps with the use of a search process or a filter to locate the required items. Highlight the items of interest, then click the Adjust button to load these items into a new adjustment transaction. The other way to create an adjustment is from the Inventory top menu and the Inventory Adjustment selection. This brings up a list of previously saved adjustments, whether they have been previously posted or still in progress. From here, the plus toolbar button can be clicked to open the adjustment transaction window, and items can be entered individually. Either method will allow you to create the same adjustment. Which method you choose will depend on what you think will be faster, either locating the items in the inventory grid or manually entering them. And the number of items to adjust will also be a factor. Whichever way you choose, all selected items will be grouped together within this adjustment in the grid below, with a reference number you can add for identification, and an adjustment date for reports and accounting. If your company uses location segments for ledger account numbers, you may choose to select a location to direct the posted values to the location-specific accounts. If you want to add another item to this list, you can click in the blank row within the inventory column to access the item finder, to type or search for the item number. Or if you have UPC codes assigned to items, you can choose to scan the item barcode to insert that item. For each item to adjust, enter the received quantity value directly in the grid, where a negative value means that the quantity on hand will be reduced at the warehouse, and a positive value means a quantity addition. The item quantity status for the highlighted row is displayed below the grid to assist you in entering the correct adjustment quantity value. Some other fields in this grid can also be modified, such as the unit cost and GL account, though care is required in doing this, as adverse accounting effects could result. You can include memo text on any item if you wish to enter a reason for the adjustment or any other comment. And there is a notes box at the bottom if you require a comment related to the entire adjustment in general. If you adjust items with serial numbers or lot tracking, you need to select the number to remove, or enter the number to add. Once all the items have been updated with the required values, you can choose to save the adjustment prior to posting, in case any further verification is necessary, or any reports must be printed and authorized. This assigns the next adjustment number from company settings to this transaction, that you can see on the adjustment list screen for future editing or deleting. When you are ready to commit the changes, clicking the Post button will have the adjustment update the item quantities, costs, and accounting. Even after posting, the adjustment listing report is available to print the transaction details. Posted adjustments will have the net inventory increase or decrease amount update the inventory control ledger account from the items adjusted, and the balancing account will be the inventory variance account from the adjustment details. You can also inquire about adjustments when editing an inventory item record and looking at either the Movement or Receipts tabs, including using the Open Related button to view the posted adjustment transaction. If you would like more information about Spire Accounting, access the link in the description below to our homepage. Read the online manual help for additional assistance. Watch more videos from this playlist, and subscribe to the Spire YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.